Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 1.36 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. So let's check the question. Chlorine is prepared in laboratory by treating manganese dioxide with aqueous hydrochloric acid according to the reaction. Now, how many grams of HCl reacts with 5 grams of manganese dioxide? So friends, in this type of questions where the equation is given, first step is to balance the reaction. So here as I can see, the reaction is balanced. So now we will jump to the next step, that is we will write the given quantities. So here it is given mass of MnO2, that is 5 grams, and mass of HCl we need to find. Now this much we have done. So from the given mass of MnO2 we will convert it into moles. That will be easy to calculate and to proceed the further procedure. So for this we have a formula. Number of moles is equal to mass divided by molar mass. So here we are going to count the number of moles of MnO2. So we will put the mass of MnO2, that is 5.0 grams, and molar mass of MnO2, that we need to calculate. So MnO2 for manganese, the atomic mass is 55 plus oxygen, it is 16. Here 2 atoms, so into 2. Now we get the answer 87. So we will put molar mass 87, and after calculation we get the answer 0.057 moles. These are the number of moles of manganese dioxide. Now according to the reaction, 4 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of MnO2. So we can use this point. We can write like that: 1 mole of MnO2 reacts with 4 moles of HCl. So if we have 0.057 moles of MnO2, that will react with 0.057 into 4 moles of HCl. So from here we will calculate the number of moles of HCl, and that we find it 0.228 moles of HCl. So now we got the values of number of moles of HCl what is used in this reaction. Now the next step is to convert this number of moles of HCl to the grams, and that will be our answer. So for that again we will use the same formula but in different way. Now here we need to find the mass. So we will multiply number of moles into molar mass. So we can write mass of HCl is equal to number of moles of HCl into molar mass of HCl. Now number of moles of HCl we got 0.228. Molar mass of HCl we will find HCl. For hydrogen it is 1, for chlorine it is 35.5. So we can write 36.5. So molar mass is 36.5, and after calculation we got the answer 8.32 grams and grams of HCl. And friends, this is the required answer. The question is so easily solved here. So please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.